Hi, and welcome to Apple Cottage. This is Sandi Aberley. This is just going to be a new channel trailer. I wanted to welcome you to my station. I've had about 23 new viewers come on this week, and I just wanted to thank you for that. Ask you to continue to subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. This channel, what you really find is really an old woman that wanted to share her knowledge of vegetable gardening, flower gardening, fruit trees, shrubs, my love for art. I want to show you a lot of the way I make things, my pillows, my wall hangings, quilting, and I just wanted to share that knowledge. I believe that when you get older, you have a responsibility to share what you've learned through all those years of experience with other people. And I like to share really some of my quirkiness. As if you'd seen my channel and watched any of my videos, you've met my friend. Hello. How are you today? I'm good. Yay! When I get 100 subscribers to my channel, I'm going to give one of these little cute hamsters away. And so if you share with your friends and tell them that they have a chance to win one of these little guys, we've had so much fun. In fact, I bought one for my granddaughter that just turned 1, and we took it over to the birthday party, and there was like 40 people there, and we had so much laughter with this little hamster. So subscribe to my channel. I hope you like all the things that I share and all the things that I've learned through all these many years of experience. And have a great day, and welcome to Apple Cottage.